Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue rectangle OABC fully inscribed in a quarter circle with the center O, as you can see in this diagram, such that the side lengths of this blue rectangle are 2x and 3x respectively. And moreover, the radius of this quarter circle is 4 units. And now our task is to find the value of x first before we could calculate the area of this green shaded region combined. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. We know the radius of this quarter circle has been given to us as 4 units. So therefore I'm going to label radius as lowercase r equals to 4. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this BC length of this rectangle is 2 times x. So therefore this OA segment length is going to be 2x as well. And now I am going to connect this center O with this point B, as you can see in this next step. And as a result, we are ended up with this right triangle OAB. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle OAB. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this OB is the radius of this quarter circle, and we know our radius is 4 units. So therefore our this OB length is going to be 4. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. In our case, our hypotenuse is 4 and our two other legs are 2x and 3x. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 2x whole square plus likewise 3x whole square equal to 4 square. Let's simplify. So that is going to give us 4x square plus 9x square equal to 16 on the right hand side. Let's combine these like terms. So we got 13x square equal to 16. Let me divide both sides by 13 to isolate x square. And here we can see 13 and 13 are gone. So therefore our x square value turns out to be 16 divided by 13. And now I'm going to take the square root on both sides to undo this square. So therefore we can see this square and square root, they undo each other. So therefore our x value is going to be 4 divided by square root of 13. And now I am going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing by square root of 13 on the top and 13 at the denominator as well. And now we can see square root of 13 and square root 13, they are going to give us simply 13. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 4 times the square root of 13 divided by 13 units. So thus our x value turns out to be 4 times square root of 13 divided by 13 units. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this green shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of this given quarter circle minus the area of this rectangle OABC. And now our task is to calculate the area of this quarter circle and the area of the rectangle OABC as well, before we could calculate the area of this green shaded region over here. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of the quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area equals to pi r square. In our case, our radius r is 4 units. And since we are dealing with this quarter circle, so therefore quarter circle area is going to be equal to this whole area, which is pi r square, and I'm going to divide it by 4. So therefore our quarter circle area is going to be pi divided by 4 times our radius is 4 whole square. So let's simplify the right hand side. So we got pi divided by 4 times 4 square is 16, and if we simplify this thing, that is going to give us 4 times pi square units. So therefore the area of this quarter circle turns out to be 4 times pi. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue rectangle OABC. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. And in our case, our dimensions are 2x and 3x. So therefore the area of this rectangle OABC is going to be 2 times x times 3 times x. Let's simplify it. So this is going to give us 6 times x square, and our x value is 4 times square root of 13 divided by 13. So I can write 6 times 4 times square root of 13 divided by 13 whole square. And we know the square of this one is 16 divided by 13. So therefore we can write this thing as 6 times 16 divided by 13, and that is going to give us 96 divided by 13. So thus the area of this rectangle OABC turns out to be 96 divided by 13 square units. And here's our final step. Let's recall once again this equation. We are going to calculate the area of this green shaded region, and we already figured out the area of the quarter circle as 4 times pi, and the area of this rectangle OABC as 96 divided by 13. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got quarter circle area as 4 pi minus 96 divided by 13. So thus the green shaded region area turns out to be 4 times pi minus 96 divided by 13 square units. After we have calculated x value as 4 times square root of 13 divided by 13, and this green shaded region area is approximately equal to 5.18 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.